everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. I am good today, it's true, but I am not the right mood today because of the rain. So you know that I'm trying to improve my English. Also, I'm trying to build my confidence. Also, I'm trying to get the fluency in English. Basically, English is a language, it's not subject. That's why I'm trying to think as a language, not subject. So that's why I started this journey, because when actually a few days ago, a couple of days ago, I started the journey because I just took a decision. I have taken a decision, that is, I would like to record every single day just one video. But the reality is that it's not the perfect moment, or I could not make every day a video, because in my daily life I'm busy person, and also last few days I could not record one single video because I was in a travel. From today I'm free, that's why I try to make this video, and I'm just sitting in my shop alone. And especially today's weather is rainy day. It has been raining since midnight, not morning. So it's raining very heavily. That's why my mood off today, because I don't like rainy day. Rainy day is makes so many obstacles and problems. I cannot go outside for rainy day. But on the other hand, rainy helps for our field, for our crops. It helps grow crops and vegetables. That's why it's perfect. But especially my point of view, I don't like rainy too much. A little bit I like, but not too much. But I want to show you something, that is, just look outside. I hope that you can see outside raining, and in front of my shop there is a road. Actually, this is the main road of our village, and this road is completely wet for rain, and it looks very slipper. And also in front of my shop there is a river, and this river is right now full of water, and especially the whole atmosphere and the view looks very beautiful. I'm just enjoying the rainy sound. I'm just enjoying the rainy dropping. It's really important for me, and I just feeling excited just looking this environment. So today's video I just record randomly. It was not a part of my uh, English journey, but this video I'm trying to explain to you my think and my actually my disposition. So take care, bye bye.